Alright, so what's up? Welcome back to another Amazon video. So here's a little early Christmas present. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get ungated in Nike, Adidas, or any major clothing brand. Anything that's on the websites that I'm about to show you. So the main thing that you need to make sure you have prepared before getting started with this ungating is make sure that the Amazon shipping address is the same thing that you're going to ship your items to. So the same address that's connected to your Amazon account, make sure you're shipping it there. So that's the main thing. Two sites that you can use is eBay and Baseball Savings. I'm going to show you how to do it through Baseball Savings because that's the site that I used. So yeah, so let's dive into the computer and I'm going to show you how to get started. Alright, real quick before this next section, I forgot to mention. So when you're ordering the product from the website, make sure you have a minimum of 10 units, no less than that. It's not going to work if you don't have at least 10 units. And then also just make sure I say it again, the ship to address matches the address that is tied to your Amazon seller account. So once you got these two, then do this next thing that I'm about to show in this video. Alright, so we are in the computer now. So I'm already ungated in Nike, so I'm gonna do an example for Adidas because I'm not ungated in that. So the first thing you want to do is find a product that's on the supplier site and make sure you can find it on Amazon too. So usually, if you're doing this, you want to buy something that's really cheap, but I'm not going to buy anything today, so any price is going to do. I just want to find an example of it. So let's try this. No, that looks like it's going to be too hard. Alright, so here I finally found this product that's on Amazon and it's on Baseball Savings. So just want to make sure this is the exact same shoe, because you need to make sure you get the exact same product when you send it in. It looks the same to me, but the little Adidas is kind of, this one's white and this one's black. Okay. So if you find a product, make sure that they're the exact same thing. I'm just going to use this as an example. So first, you're going to want to grab the ASIN. If you don't have Seller Amp, you can just find the ASIN at the bottom of the Amazon listing right here. So copy that, go to Amazon, paste it. So here I'm gated in it, so it's going to tell me to apply to sell it. Next, you click apply, request approval. Now, you're going to want to do this after you order it first. So let's pretend that you ordered it and it's at your house now. So Baseball Savings is going to have the invoice in the package. It's going to be like a little slip. What you want to do is take a picture of the front, the back, the side, the top, the bottom view of the product, and take a picture of the invoice. And then also have a picture of the product and the invoice right beside each other, and then email all that to you. So once you do that, you email it to yourself, open up the email, save all the photos onto your computer, and then next you want to click this first one where it says at least one purchase invoice for products from a manufacturer or distributor. Right here you're going to click select files and then upload all those pictures that you took. And after that you just want to check mark all of these and then click submit. And then after that it should take Amazon about like 24 hours. Sometimes some people get approved even quicker, but usually when I did it for Nike it took me like a day. If you're doing it on a weekday. If you're doing it a weekend, it might take longer. So yeah, that's basically how to get ungated in any major any major clothing brand. This works for toys too. If you're doing it, it's the same way. You just need to find a distributor that has the certain toy that you're trying to get, the certain toy brand or toy that you're trying to get ungated in. So that's it for this video. If you made it this far into the video, thanks for watching. If I helped you out, make sure to hit the like button down below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.